Feeling thirsty? Everyone's got a favorite drink. But how about we try adding mints to the mix? I get the feeling Mr. Black wants to go first. I'd go easy on the mints. Uh-oh, he's gonna blow! Well, on the plus side, free slime is free slime. Why don't we wrap it up in a nice plastic cover? And let our Sprunki friends enjoy a nice soak. You've heard of kick the can? Poke the can's where it's really at. It's a dip and a massage all in one. Always pays to have a can-do attitude. But now, it's time for a little world building. Coca! You know what goes great with soda? Mints! See? Now wasn't that a great explosion? Uh-oh! We're not supposed to get it wet! Maybe pressing more buttons will help.
Oops.
Well, I'm out of ideas. And SOS? Grab it! A door! Might as well go through it. You too, creepy guy. Wow, we're in a whole new world! Sensing a block theme. Was I wrong? Ooh, guess some assembly's required. Our Sprunki friends sure look great in 3D. But it's a shame they can't all be here. Ooh, I think Mr. Black's up to something. Ah, lightning. What can't it do? Orin, Sky, Binaria, they're alive! Alive! It's Night of the Living Sprunki! Oh, how are we going to save them? Now, Mr. Black, necromancy's very naughty. Wait, cola! The answer to all life's problems! Once again, soda has saved the day. Now, you guys go back to your dirt nap. And you guys go on to the next level. Ooh, the computer comes with free refreshments. Just keep them away from the keyboard. Wow, after all this time, they joined forces. Can you imagine what they made together? Well, it's a liquid. I know. Let's go fishing. Should be easier than that barrel. We caught something. Hey, it's a tiny little Sky. Is there anyone else in here? It's a little Simon. And he's lemon-scented. Ooh, tiny Clucker and his tiny, tiny hat. Huh, fishing's thirsty work. Let's add some fizz and relax with a nice drink. Don't skimp on the bubbles. Hey, what else is in here? Wow, a mini vending machine. Doesn't seem empty. What are you waiting for? Toss a coin in. Try to buy a bunch if you can. After all, we've got company over. Hey, it's a Pinky box. I wonder what's inside. A Pinky toy, and she's got a need for speed. Just rev her up and watch her go. Ooh, do you think she'll stick the landing? Was there ever any doubt? And that's not all. She also comes with some shiny pink slime. Slime is already great on its own. But wait until you add the toppings. Just like pizza, so knead it like dough. Which is also pizza related. Sorry, I'll move on. Next up, it's a tiny Pinky copter. That Pinky, she's always got her head in the clouds. Ooh, Simon's ready for Halloween. But I think he could sure use a trim. Simon's been holding out on us. Just look at this toy. And we've got the perfect solution. Bubble solution. Come on, fill up the room. Bubbles for all. This next toy's pretty small, but give it time to grow. And inside, it's another tiny little box. It's a mini Pianosaurus bank, so it needs mini money. Now that's what I call service with a smile. Next up, we've got a dinosaur scoop. But why go digging up fossils when we can bring dinos back to life? But maybe we should cut them down to size. You must be this small to slide on down. And the best part, when you're done, you can go again. Next up, it looks like we've got a safe, and it's pink. It's locked. We gotta figure out the code. First, solve the matching Sprunki repo game on back. Looks like it's color-coded. We've cracked the code. Let's just hope it works. 3, 4, 5, right in order. How convenient. And look, we're rolling in semi-bots. But why don't we give them a spiffy Sprunki makeover? Ratty, Vinaria, and Durple, but 2.0. Guess you can never have enough Pinky. Or Sky. Or Semi-Hemi. How far do you think it goes? We're reaching the center. A tiny Simon ball. It's just what we need for our toy maze. Let's take it for a spin. Avoid the hurdles. Quick, try the bridge. Just avoid that hole. Don't worry, you've got another life. Maybe Sky will have more luck. Or not. Okay, Pinky, it's your turn. Let's hope the third time's the charm. Careful about that bridge. You made it. It's Pinky's world. We're just living in it. Simon, watch out! Oh, and not wearing your helmet, too. Maybe we can look inside these rocks. After all, there could be hidden treasures. That bike pump could be handy. But look, slime! You can never go wrong with slime! Especially when it comes with tools inside. Slime sure is the gift that keeps on giving. We'll have your bike fixed up in a jiffy. And just in time, Simon's gotta head home. Here, Pinky, a strawberry donut, your favorite. Oh, I cry too when there's no more donuts. Oh, I see, you're not feeling well, are you? Well, whatever this is, better out than in, I always say. Good to see you're eating your carrots. You don't need this. You're already all heart. And you can always make your own luck. A bug? Well, protein is protein. Ooh, a star. Why don't we mix all these ingredients up? Pinky prefers things shaken, not stirred. Now let's bring everything together. Ooh, it kind of looks like a parfait. But we're gonna heat things up. We earned a break. Let's play with Mr. Fun Computer. Wanna have fun? Yeah, I just said that. Ooh, we're playing with Simon and Pianosaurus. Okay, everybody, let's get ready to rumble! You know the rules. Whoever loses their stickers first loses! Things are getting tense. This could be anybody's game. Things aren't looking so good for Pianosaurus. And Simon wins. That means we've won too. What's our prize? Mazes sure are popular here. We're out of ink already? Let's see. Well, it writes on regular paper just fine. In fact, we can use it to draw up a solution. Let's make friends for all our Sprunki maze runners. First, let's follow the red road to Telly. Of course, we gotta draw it out ourselves. Next up, let's help Aqua find her way. And last but not least, it's Oaxis's turn. Red, blue, and green. We've solved the maze. Now for a surprise. It's not Superman ice cream. It's Doughy. But I think he needs help. Now let's open him up and see what's inside. It's our Sprunki friends. He swallowed them whole. Maybe we can put them all back together. Granted, we probably shouldn't have made them into pasta in the first place. Looks like a dress-up game. Pick a Sprunki. Roll the die. Ooh, Aqua. Seems fitting. First, choose a nice aqua color. Now we need all the right accessories. Grab the eyes. A nice blue cut. And that groovy straw. Let's show off your new look. You're a born model. But she might get a little lonely by herself. Ooh, Simon, now that's just cosmic. You know the bill. Pick the color and the features. And speaking of Simon, let's check out his heart. Open him up. Let's see what's inside. You know, something tells me it's something for Aqua's game. Look, he's got outfits for both of them. Let's see what Simon got. Ooh, a suit. After all, a model needs to look dapper. Now let's see what he's got for Aqua. Ooh, a white dress? A veil? Flowers? Let's bring these two closer together. Ah, you may now kiss the Sprunky. Aw, and now they've got a family. Ugh, I think we should change that diaper. Looks like you could use a bottle, too. Next up, it's Vinaria and Ratty. Let's see what Vinaria's got for us first. Oh, looks like Easter eggs. Let's try Durples first. Look, there's slime and tiny Sprunkies inside. We can make Durple and Sky pop-ups. These guys sure have a spring in their step. And they all have a part in our new keyboard. Typing class has never been so fun. I wonder what Ratty's got for us. Red's the color of love after all. Ooh, pick a number. Any number. Your prize? It's a Ratty keychain. And it looks like he's in good company. Ratty and Vinaria go together. It's just magnetic. Okay, let's see who else is here. Simon. And he's ready to rock and roll. Let's party. Aqua's got some custom bandages for us. Ooh, it's good to keep these guys on hand. Seriously, and they're great for foreheads, too. The two that started it all, Pinky and Oren. Why don't we start with Pinky? The shiny streamers are a nice touch. Ooh, were you expecting us, Pinky? Well, it looks like she's expecting something. Oh, it's a Simon. Hold on, it looks like triplets. Did I say triplets? Make that sextuplets. Ooh, these are a bouncing bunch of babies. But I'm sure we can help them rest up. Hey, what's that? The sands of time? Oh.